Alright, so BB has challenged Thea Luvia to a wall sit squat challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. Hold that pose. Back against the wall.
All day, baby. All day. Say something.
Brianna's legs look like humongous, like long.
They are long. You burning it? No. Nah. Yeah, you are.
Don't let her intimidate you, BB.
She's burning.
Who can hold it the longest?
It's all in the mind, baby. It's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. Put your legs straight, boo. Oh, my tippy toes. No, put them down. Put them straight.
Can you feel the burn?
I feel the burn, but you go through like you get a second wind.
You got it, Anthony.
Show me some biceps.
You burning yet? I know you are. My legs are Oh my God.
Brianna, you lost. You lost.
You see my chicken legs?